Hello my friends, welcome back to my channel. EveCalma here. Today we are making a tasty and super easy beef balls recipe. And the ingredients are cornstarch, table salt, 2 eggs, we are going to whisk them, soy sauce, granulated garlic, onion powder, freshly ground black pepper, fennel seeds. This will give more flavor and yummy taste to our beef balls. Lean ground beef and cooking oil. For this beef balls, I use vegetable cooking oil. You can also use canola oil or your favorite oil, whichever you're happy to cook your beef balls. So let's get started. Let's put everything into our lean ground beef. That's how easy to do this recipe. And if you like to see more of my easy, yummy recipe, please consider subscribing, comments, like, and share. Thank you so much, everyone. Them up. It's up to you how big you want them. Just about this size. Okay. Or measure about a tablespoon. Just like that. I'm not adding any extra flour. Begin with high heat. We are going to deep fry all of these meatballs. Heat for about a minute or two. Change the temperature to medium heat. We are cooking the first batch. After 8 minutes, remove from the pot and drain the oil. Look at that. The same pot, remain on medium heat, add the rest of the meatballs and cook for another 8 minutes. And we are done. We are going to make a very simple sauce for these meatballs. So yummy. Look at that.